Welcome back to round 17. Well done you on standing the test of time and staying with us at this It's a Book unboxing ceremony. We're ready for our next book.
It's not our last, right? It's the second to last?
Penultimate book.
Wow, big
Where's
word.
the book?
Usually our book is here.
I have a riddle.
Oh, Luki just said he has a riddle.
Why? Well,
Fun.
okay.
Riddles. Where did you find it? Just under the
This is unusual.
Okay. Sometimes to find that special book, all it takes is just one simple look.
Huh.
Huh.
I'm not good with I can't even say the word. Are you good with riddles? What could it mean?
One simple look. Okay, I found it. It's under the wall.
You're a genius.
Okay, let's go. Round 17. We are getting to it.
Beautiful. Well, that was fast.
That was fun. We just wasted so much time tonight in just the fucking unwrapping of that we really missed some precious time with the book itself. This is a picture of a chair.
A note?
Grüße heißt es auf den Ding.
Thank you so much, Roma Publications.
I guess it's the Verlag.
Thank you. Oh my god, I love old used chairs. Oh, wow, that's pretty.
So this is a big ass book.
Derriere.
This is giving me very Paris vibes. Like kind of very romantic.
Yeah.
I've heard that word a lot today. We kind of kept trying to go for a romantic look.
If nothing else, we want to be romantic in this life. Romantic.
Yeah, it's A4 size and it's pretty thick. I would say like an inch thick and hefty. Like you would be proud. Okay.
What's up with
I should open the first page. So this is a lady with a face full of roses. That must hurt. I just need to find the information now.
What's the language?
It is English, yeah. Here there is the name Vincenzo.
What is it about?
So,
what is it about? Tell us.
I think it's about different objects.
What is it about? Tell us. Who's the author?
I can't find the author.
Tell me the author. Quick! People are unsubscribing.
So at the very back of the book, it says objects. So I presume this is a collection of different objects from different people. Yeah, and we have over 95 different objects. That's like nearly 100.
Wow.
And on the spine, we are very lucky to have the name of the book, which is The Serving Library Annual 2020-2021. That's cool.
The Serving Library Annual. Okay, so maybe it's a catalog.
I think it's like a catalog. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that. So like we have different.
Is it a coloring book?
No, it's not. This time we're not so lucky. It's not a coloring book. But yeah, here we have Chris Evans, the famous actor, I guess.
Yeah.
We are about to wrap this thing up, and Yeah, there has been someone who made this portrait.
Show me more objects, more objects.
Lots of objects.
Wow.
A lot. One could say a library of objects. Is that Alex Klein? Okay, I don't know. Neither does our producers.
I do.
You do? Who's that?
Quite a character. Lovely.
An IKEA window?
Lovely, yeah. I think it's like a perfect coffee book. Coffee table book. You want to see some like fab art. Let's add it to our collection. Thank you so much, Roma Publications. And see you all.
On the next cartoon.
Yes.